Saying number 103. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, was seen in worn-out clothes with patches, and when it was pointed out to him he said with it, the heart fears, the mind feels humble, and the believers emulate it. Certainly, this world and the next are two enemies against each other and two paths in different directions. Whoever likes this world and loves it hates the next, it is its enemy. These two are like east and west. If the walker between them gets near to one, he gets farther from the other. After all, they are like two fellow wives.